Savvy Cleaner uses paid links. Oh no, paid links! What does that mean? Does that mean that we're disingenuous and that we are a sellout? Oh no! I'm Angela Brown and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question and I get to help you find an answer. Now, usually we talk about house cleaning, and today I'm going to step just to the side of that and I'm going to talk about the YouTube channel. Now, when I started the YouTube channel, I did not know you could make money running a YouTube channel. And there are full-time YouTubers. I am not a full-time YouTuber. I run a cleaning company called Savvy Cleaner, which is a training company for house cleaners and maids. I happen to also produce a YouTube channel and a podcast and a blog and shorts and online learning and online courses and group coaching and a whole bunch of other things, okay? I just happen to have a YouTube show. Now, early in my career, this is early in my YouTube experience, there was a little troll that was chasing me around from video to video and would leave a comment in all the videos. They said, oh, you're nothing but an affiliate marketer. And I wasn't an affiliate marketer. I didn't know what that was. And in my head, I was like, how dare you call me an affiliate marketer? And then I was like, what is even an affiliate marketer? And then I did a little bit of research and I discovered that there are companies out there that will pay you a commission if you send people to their store versus the other store. And I said, wait a second. So there are two vendors who both sell the same product within a couple pennies of each other. I'm a big fan of one of the products. And this company is going to pay me money if I send people to their store instead of this store. Why? Their return policies are very similar or the same. The prices are very similar or the same. It's the exact same product. I'm going to send people to this store and make the money, okay? I am a for-profit business, as most businesses are, right? We are in business to make money. What that means is the people who work for us also get to make money. And so with Savvy Cleaner, we've been in business now for about 6 years as an online training company. And so as an online training company, we now have 26 full or part-time people that work for us. And they all make a living working for us, or they all earn money working for us, okay? Nobody works for free. And so when we have links, and we will disclose it to you, we're not trying to hide anything, it's very transparent. We just come right out and say, here's the paid link. If you click on the words show more under any video, it will say, hey, big news. We make money if you click on these affiliate links and we make a commission. So thank you very much, right? It is disclosed. On the bottom of our website, on every single page of our website, there's an FTC disclaimer that says, assume that everything that we do here, there's money involved, right? It costs somebody some money and we get paid for it. And then we turn around and we pay the people that are working for us that are on our team. All right, so I have a little picture here of people that are local to the Savvy Cleaner team. These are people that showed up yesterday. Okay, so every single one of these people has a computer. Every one of those computers has multiple licenses on it. All of those licenses cost money. The computers cost money. The mouses cost money. The mouse pads, the stream decks, the hard drives, the cloud storage, all of that stuff that we use in order for every single workstation costs money, in addition to tables and chairs. And then you have all kinds of things, a coffee bar and whatever it takes to run an office, all right? There are a lot of expenses, not to mention all the other expenses, accounting and insurance and whatever it costs to run a business, okay? Lots of expenses. So I wish I could just say, oh, everything's free, and I'm just a little YouTuber sitting in my living room making you this little video. That's not the case. We're actually an enterprise. And being an enterprise, there are a lot of facets that go on. We figured out 19 ways to monetize our YouTube channel. And my philosophy is, if we're going to spend a lot of time and energy doing something, it has to be profitable for the company and it has to make sense. So on the bigger scale, does it make sense? Does this fulfill our goals and our ambitions and our creed? If you don't know what the creed is, I will leave links to the creed in the notes below so you can check it out. This is how Savvy Cleaner believes. These are the code of ethics. These are the rules that we live by, okay? So we have a code of ethics, and it's that everyone does get paid, that we charge a fair price for everything that we do. And in order to stay in business, we have to make money. And so we do use affiliate links. Now, Ask a House Cleaner. What is that? That is a YouTube channel that answers cleaning questions. So we were in a perfect position when COVID hit. The entire world turned to us and said, oh, cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting, what does that mean? Our business 10x'd during the COVID year. And sadly enough, we lost a lot of our parents who worked for us. They were like, I think we're homeschooling now. I can't work here full time. I got to go homeschool my kids. And they took off. Did you know that 1 out of 4 people in America changed jobs during the COVID period? And a lot of them moved to the house cleaning industry. Not just a YouTube channel, but we have a learning library that teaches house cleaners and maids how to grow a cleaning business. We were bombarded with people that came through our program. Like I said, our business just exploded. Okay, it doesn't explode with one person sitting around in their living room answering YouTube questions. It doesn't work that way. What happens is our customer service went through the roof. And we went from a 9-to-5 customer service program to a 24/7 program with different teams that were answering questions. And there were 8 different customer service teams that go through all of our social media outlets answering questions on a day-to-day basis. So we have 19 different social platforms that every single day questions from you guys come in to us. And then we have our YouTube comments that we respond to as best as we can. If we missed one and we didn't get to it, guys, we're sorry, we're doing our very best. But we have about 1,600 emails that come in every single day to 21 different email accounts. And so we are busy. So when you see a YouTube show and it says paid promotion, don't get upset at the YouTuber. Start clapping and going, yes, they pay their people that are working to keep this channel alive so I can have this content for free. If you are not in a position to click on the links and buy the items, that's okay. Watch the ads because they're also making money from AdSense from Google. So if you watch a YouTube video and there's a little ad that plays right before the video, hopefully it's something that's targeted to the video you're about to watch. In a perfect world, that's how that works. But watch the ad because then by watching the ad, the YouTuber makes a little bit of money. And if you have no money and you don't want to watch the ad, at least give them a thumbs up or a like if you like the content. Feel free to subscribe. It does not cost you anything, but it sends a signal to the algorithm that said, hey, somebody just found this channel valuable, and they show it to more people, and more people then can watch the ads and can click the links, right? So if you are not a subscriber and you subscribe, that helps the YouTube channel. If you want to go so far as to leave a comment in the notes below, by leaving a comment that also triggers the algorithm that there's interest in this channel, which again, they show that to more people and the YouTuber makes a little bit more money. So it is wonderful for those people that have subscribed. Recently, I guess in the last year or so, there's a little Valentine underneath the video and it says thanks, and it has a little picture of money on it. And every now and again, you can click that. If you really found a valuable tip, you can add a few dollars and that goes right to the YouTube channel. Now, our thanks money, we call it thanks money, is 100% donated to scholarships. So that there are house cleaners that want to come through our program and they don't have the money. Again, we charge money because we are a for-profit business. But we have a scholarship program and all of our thanks money goes to the scholarship program. So when you donate money to that, you can know that it's going to help a house cleaner upgrade their education so that they are more educated and they are wearing proper personal protective equipment and they're doing everything by the book when they go to a customer's house. So we are now in our learning library active in 37 countries around the world. Our YouTube channel is available now in 191 languages around the world thanks to closed captioning. So it's all of these little different tiny elements that you have kept our show going even though maybe you're watching it for free. So don't think for a second that if you see a paid link that it's because we're trying to take advantage of you and we're trying to recommend something that we don't believe in. And I'm in a very unique situation where a lot of manufacturers will come directly to me and they'll say, hey, will you market this product? And I'm like, you're not ready for me yet. Take your product back to the station, rework a couple of things here, come to me then, and then I will market it. Because right now I can't feel good about selling this product this way. We have a lot of manufacturers that work directly with me. Now, I'm not bragging about that, but there is a responsibility when I turn around and I tell 250,000 people, we've got 250,000 subscribers, when I tell 250,000 people, hey, this product is a good product and you should go buy it. Because what happens is a whole bunch of people go out and they buy it. And I have to prove that what I'm saying is truthful. And I don't want to lead you guys down a bad road and I don't want to give you bad information, okay? That comes back to me. That costs me customer service dollars. I'd rather right up front tell you this is how this product is. I like it or I love it and you should have it. And if you should, I'll tell you the reasons why, okay? But I turn a lot of products away because they don't even fit in with my ethics and how I feel like I can share them with you. I just don't, and so I don't, right? But there are ways that we do get paid for all of the stuff that we promote. So it's not because I'm being disingenuous. It's because I love all the people that work for me and I want them to stay employed. And I love all of the people that are watching the YouTube show, that are supportive of the YouTube show. And that's you. You're watching it right now. Yay! Thank you so much. So I really appreciate these comments. And I wanted to let you know in full transparency, we're not trying to deceive you. We've made it very clear, very open, very transparent about what it is we do. And the answer is, yes, we get paid. We get paid for every single thing that we do in this business, every single step of the way, because we are a for-profit company. Oh, by the way, we run a learning library for house cleaners. And if you're a house cleaner, we will show you too how to make money and get the most money for the products that you sell. All right, that's it for today. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you want to help the algorithm, leave a comment in the notes below. I do have a team. We'll answer your questions. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.